I think this year there's been quite a few exciting topics. There's been a lot on RegTech, which has been up and coming. But personally, I think the paytech and cashless society has been really interesting. I think we live in a day and age now where more and more people want payments instantly, they want payments faster, more secure, and we live in a day and age where basically no one carries around cash anymore. Like, I don't know the last time I had any cash on me. So making sure we're up to date and continuing to understand more about how payments are going to advance in the future, it's been really interesting to hear the talks on that. So today we're showcasing our service as a payment solution. So we're here just to provide some exposure, get exposure to us as a platform and as a company, ensure that people are aware of what we're bringing to the fintech scene, and also just to see more about what's going on around us and more about what other companies are providing and how we can offer their services to our clients. So we have a range of different clients. So because we focus on different types of stratas in the business, I'd say we have, for example, with marketplaces, we have major clients like FinTech. So that's a popular fashion marketplace used mainly by, I'd say, females around 16 to 22, I'd say. So that's to sell their secondhand clothing. Then we have quite a few large crowdfunding platforms, especially in the UK. So companies like the House Crowd and Crowd to Funds, that's a range of equity and debt-based crowdfunding. But as well as that, we do work with quite a few fintech platforms. So for example, Saving with Plum, Oval Money, and these fintech platforms, it's more up and coming. We're going to see more and more of them in the next few years. Yeah, so I'd say the vision for MangoPay would be to enable customers and clients and marketplaces to get to market really efficiently and really quickly. We want to provide a solution that takes away the hassle of traditional go-to-market, so traditionally going to separate acquiring banks, cash management flows. So our vision is just to get more marketplaces being able to transact really quickly, in a compliant manner, and also just to keep them happy, keep their customers happy. Customers expect a really quick payment flow without any hassles, and our vision is just to supply that to everyone. I think we help platforms in two main ways. So we help platforms not have to worry about, for example, compliance when it comes to payments. So payments and compliance it's a really big sphere. You have to think about client money, so you've got to think about whether or not you can hold client money. You've got to think about PCI compliance, and we help remove that burden from clients. We help clients just think, right, all I want to concentrate on is my platform and my marketplace and that growth. I don't want to have to worry about the hassle of all this payments and compliance. So we help our clients in order to remove that burden and in order to handle that to them. But we also help our clients by ensuring that we're always keeping on top of new payments. Payments change like on a daily basis. Every month, every year, there's a new payment in thing. And as a platform, you don't want to have to worry about what the new trend is going to be. You just want to make sure that the company you're working with is following and keeping ahead of the trends. So we help our platforms by making sure we're one step ahead of the game and always ensuring that they have a payment solution that's going to work for them now and in the future. There's a lot of trends and advancements that I think we expect to see further. In terms of, I think you can separate them in terms of payments in and payments out as we manage both. For payments out, in the UK, for example, we are very used to the faster payment network. Everyone's used to sending money, receiving it instantly. However, in the SEPA zone, that's really not the norm. Everyone's really used to waiting like 3 working days for a payment. There's new trends being emerging with SEPA instant transfers, and I think more and more you'll see, not just in the UK, but globally, people will start to expect instant payments, and we'll see more and more companies providing that, and that's something we'll be looking at implementing. And then in terms of payments in, you'll see that more people want more visibility on the payments, the companies they're working with and how they manage that, and that's something that we'll need to ensure that we're keeping ahead of for our clients, providing them this visibility and providing their customers a really easy way to make payments without, for example, having to be logged onto their banking system, logging onto a PayPal account. People don't like that discontinuity. Sorry. Yeah, so I think that's what you can expect in the future.